Armed thieves caught on camera cutting open a window screen and crawling into a family's home. Police say that is one of 5 early morning home invasions that happened in North Minneapolis just this week. Reg Chapman spoke to a family who was held at gunpoint while the crooks ransacked their home. It's a story you'll see only on WCCO.
They have their guns all up in our face.
Terrifying moments for a young mother and her baby. A loud thud woke her up, and when she walked out of her bedroom, she found this group of armed thieves inside her home.
I came out, I instantly threw my hands up because I'm scared, and I got my child in here, so I'm screaming and screaming like, no, please stop, like my child is in here, my child is in here.
Afraid to show her face because the men who invaded her home have not been caught, the young mother describes how she begged for her life and the life of her child with a gun pointed at her head.
I was screaming, help, help, please, my child is in here, my child is in here, don't shoot me, don't shoot me.
I woke up to yelling.
Her mother says she heard the commotion from her bedroom upstairs.
That's when they got the running out the door. When they heard footsteps upstairs and they heard my mom like, what's going on down there?
Brenda Clark went to her Ring camera and saw 4 young men casing her North Minneapolis home.
They was outside from 5:54, walking, pacing, looking dead at the camera like, some person was like, I don't think it worked. And one's like, it do work. Like, they didn't care. The point was they didn't care.
The video shows the men helping boost one another inside the kitchen window. Then they terrorized and took cash, credit cards, and other belongings from Clark's daughters.
Y'all was bold. The cutter screamed like y'all real criminals. This is what y'all do. You know y'all's specialty in this. Cut a scream and just come through the window. They plotted.
Minneapolis police say they are tracking 5 home invasions in North Minneapolis in the past week. Investigators arrested 1 juvenile and they are working to determine how many of the home invasions in North Minneapolis he is connected to. Reg Chapman, WCCO News.
One interesting clue from police: people who only speak Spanish were the targets in 4 out of those 5 break-ins. Please call 911 if you know anything.